Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to manage our privacy and analytics data in Binance. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account in case you have not. Do it right now. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply hover over this profile button right here. Simply hover over it or just click on it. Well, it is up to you. For now, I just clicked on it. And right here, once you click on it, you will be redirected to the dashboard. On the left hand side, as you can see, there are multiple options. But right now, all you guys need to focus on is this button called as settings. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. This is the thing that we want. From here, you can look at many things like profile settings, notifications and preferences. But for now, I'm simply gonna scroll down to the very bottom. And right here you can see a tab that says privacy. Do note that both of my analytics and advertisement data are on. Right now I want to disable it. Simply click on the disable button right here. And that is it guys. That is how you manage your analytics and advertisement data in Binance. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.